Bitch.
You know how these bitches love me? Why? Cause baby don't give a fuck. What you do? I be
I know you wanna love, but I just wanna fuck. And girl, you know the deal. You gotta keep it real.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Bootsy, I can't breathe. Bitch. I have been waiting for this package since 11 this morning. It's still warm from the UPS truck because I literally just ran up here, 3-day-old hair. I ain't got no bra on, my titties are out. My phone keeps running out of storage, but guess who doesn't have to worry about that anymore? Because the bitch got a new camera, okay? So if you don't know anything about cameras, this is the Canon G7X. I don't know if you see it, but I have a Nikon camera. But if you've already been here, you already know why I don't use it. I really just want to open this camera right now. I don't even want to talk. The Nikon one doesn't have a flip screen, so this one has a flip screen. If you know nothing about cameras, but you watch YouTube, you probably have already seen this camera. Y'all, I'm literally like shaking. I've been wanting this camera for like years. I can't believe this is really happening right now. I can't. And I don't know what I would do without you guys, because this wouldn't even be here without you guys. So I appreciate you guys so much. If you don't know who I am, I'm Mackenzie Drake. I make YouTube channels. Please like and subscribe. If you've never been in here before, welcome. Subscribe. We have a good time. But bitch, oh my god. So this camera's like $600, and a bitch paid for it herself. And I could literally just cry about it. This is my first big purchase. This is the biggest purchase I've ever done with my own money. And I wanted to have this camera. I'm sorry if I'm really jittery, I feel like I'm talking really fast. I wanted this camera by August, September. I didn't think I was gonna get it. Sorry y'all, my glasses are so dusty. I'm really coming at y'all looking a mess, but I've been wanting this camera for a long time, but you have to speak that shit into existence. You want something, you need to set that goal in your head. You speak that goal, even write that fucking goal down, and it will happen. Let me drink some water. Let me explain. So earlier, a couple months ago, I almost had enough money to get it, but I didn't. So I just decided to buy. Sorry, Bootsy's literally seizuring. Bootsy, what are you doing? Bootsy. My cat can't function. Fucking try to make a cute video. Fucking. I ordered the little gadgets for it. I mean, I already have a tripod. You guys are on a tripod right now for my ring light. But I got a Joby tripod, y'all. This tripod was like $50. But it's so nice. You can move it, like put it down, you could tape it, like this is hella nice. You always see people vlog like this. Y'all know what I'm talking about, okay? I got rubber case for it because I'm clumsy and I will drop it. And I got glass protectors for the screen. This didn't come in the kit. I bought it individually, but I think there are actually screen protectors in the Amazon kit that I purchased this from. So if you guys want to see where I got it from, I'll put the link below. I think it's cheaper on Amazon than like at Best Buy. On Best Buy it's like $6.50. I got it for like actually like $5.50 something. Y'all, I can't breathe. Oh my god, y'all look at that. I didn't want to get emotional, but I'm literally about to like, oh my god. I'm just like thinking about like the person I was whenever I made this channel. And I'm just like thinking about how much I've changed. Holy crap, I'm really about to start crying right now. 12-year-old girl in this exact same room. And I decided to make a little video one June because I was so bored. And I didn't think anything would come from it. Little Mackenzie, I wish I could just write a letter to her. I wish I could talk to her right now and tell her that everything's gonna be okay. Everything's gonna work out. Because bitch, it does. Alright, let me not get all emotional. I'm so sorry. If you guys have been here for that long, you guys know I've grown so much as a person, as just my YouTube channel, just everything. This is really crazy. I still think of myself as a like 12-year-old girl coming from Pennsylvania, like literally nothing. I got this, I hustle myself for this. I didn't ask my mom for money. I didn't ask my grandparents. My grandparents are even more broke than we are. Like, we're not middle class over here. I bet she's broke. Our family's broke. And it's so crazy how I could even like picture myself being like getting stability from this. Yeah, okay. This does not make any sense for a camera unboxing. I am so sorry. Yeah, this shit was $5.52. Oh, girl, baby, that's expensive. I'm gonna open this case first. Woo! Hopefully I'll put all the links below on Amazon for where I got everything. I guess this is just a little rubber case. Who knows if I'll actually put it on. Oh my god, bitch, it's that big. Oh my god. Let me show you what was in the kit. A 16 gigabyte card, but I already have like a couple 64 gigabyte ones already. So I might use this one, might not, but it's good for like starters. You'll have a, you know, little, what the fuck are these called? Whatever. Here is a starter kit. I guess it's like a tripod with like a cleaning cloth. Probably won't use this either. Here we got a little, it's probably like a photo Bluetooth USB type thing. I don't know. I just want to open the camera. And then we got a cleaning pen. But you know, I already have screen protectors. Here it is. I don't want to rip the box. Oh my god. Okay. Canon G7X Mark II. Let's get it going. I can't open it. Ooh, I opened it. Ah! Oh my god. Let me shut up. Here we have like a little oh girl, I don't know what that's for. We'll get into it. A little strap. Oh my god. This is the camera. She's so compact and light. Oh my god, y'all. I'ma shit my pants. It's so warm. Oh my god, guys, look. Holy shit. Here's the little battery wall adapter. Bootsy, stop. I know you excited. I'm excited too. Oh, here's the battery is so much smaller than my Nikon. I would show you, but I'm trying to turn this camera on, y'all. I'm so excited. Just flip up. Let's go. Watch them give me the wrong battery. Okay. Hopefully this turns on and I don't have to charge it. All right, here we go. Oh my god. set date and time, girl. I don't have time for that. What day is it, girl? I don't know. Y'all hear that? You want me to set the time? I have a clock. I don't have a clock. Oh, this is gonna be easy to like bring to school and stuff. I really don't know. Oh, the card and the battery go in the same slot? That's so weird. Oh, that's how you zoom in. This bitch zoom in far. Okay. This is gonna be my first ever video on here. I'm gonna start recording. I'm gonna switch onto here. You ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Y'all, my hand kind of tired. I think I'm gonna put it on the tripod already. I accidentally canceled freaking autofocus. Am I stupid or am I stupid? Beach. It's crazy how different it is. Like on my phone, I feel like it's such warm toned, and on the this camera, I feel like it's like cool toned. So I've been sitting here trying to figure it out because I think I might have done something weird with the settings. You can see everything, boy. Baby. The ring light enhances too much. I don't have makeup on. Okay. So I've been sitting here trying to figure out settings and everything for the past like 2 seconds. I'm sorry if I keep looking up here. I'm gonna have to get used to this. But this is really crazy. This tripod is actually pretty big, so I don't know if I'm gonna bring this tripod like places. And I think the battery's kind of blinking, so hopefully it doesn't die, but you know, I don't know, bitch, but this is crazy. I'm about to be filming like this all the time. Look at my dry lips. Oh, y'all could see my peach fuzz. That's too much. This Joby tripod is so cool. Hello? That's what I thought. Wonder what I can like connect it to. Do you think I could connect it to like my doorknob? Really don't know how to act. Somebody humble me. Girl, what am I doing? Let me just hold it. Sorry guys, I came back on my phone so I could just show you. And also it died. Who put in the battery at like 2%? Like I have to charge the battery already. Holy crap. It's gonna get some it's gonna get some getting used to. It's gonna take some time to get used to this. Let me stop flinging it around. Because I'm so used to just filming on my phone. I'm so used to it. This doesn't mean I'm gonna stop filming on my phone. Like, there probably will be some instances, some that I might have to, but like, this is gonna be the move, everyone. I just want to get the footage on my computer and see how good it looks. Like, I am so excited and ready for this new content. Let me know what y'all want to see on this Canon G7X, period, poo, period, poo, period. This video's probably like 9 minutes long. I don't know, probably not that long. But this is a huge step up in my YouTube game, and I wanted to let y'all know that it was happening. I'm gonna try to put this on, Snapchat this hoe, okay? And yeah, before I leave, go follow me on my Instagram, my Snapchat, my Twitter, and subscribe, because why not? Become a part of our crew. We don't really have a name for our crew, but you can be a part of it. Come on, join. Come here. Oh, Ava's not wearing a shirt. Ava's been sitting with me all day waiting for this package to come in. A real trooper. Are you good?
I was in my room at 12 whenever you first came down. But
it flips up. Are you good? That's the main reason I wanted this camera, is because you can see yourself. That is crazy.
Did it come with the tripod?
No, I already bought this tripod.
Oh yeah. But I thought it was a different one.
So I need to charge this and get it going. So I hope you guys enjoyed.
And so you won't be recording on your phone anymore. That's your phone.
Yeah, I know.
And you can do actual hauls. Because you can like go on your phone and be like...
I can play music now while I'm recording, y'all. I'm so hype.
You hype.
I'm hyped. So if you're a
Excited, not
YouTuber
hyped.
and you're thinking about saving up for this, I really recommend it. I mean, I got as far as I have
Save up
without
for this
it,
computer.
just with a phone. So you guys don't need amazing technical things. I have a computer like this. This is Ava's, but I don't have a MacBook. You really don't need amazing things. You just need good content.
She also has different stickers. I only have this and
Yeah.
this, but she has like all around.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm so happy. I've been waiting all day for this. And
Literally all day. She's been out there since
literally,
12,
I've been
and then
sitting
she's
there.
been sitting in front of the door until like 5 or 4. She was just like,
yeah, that's what.
ah! And then she was like screaming and looking at her phone and looking what time it's supposed to
Okay,
be.
don't expose me. Oh, so to charge the battery, I have to use a cable. On my old camera, you just plugged it in like that, but we have to use a cable. I mean, I guess that's different. Okay, I'm gonna go, everybody. Peace, love, positivity. Love you. Say bye, everybody.
Bye, idiots.
Say subscribe.
Subscribe to Ava Drake. Ava D to be exact.